Today we'll start with question number 4 of exercise 11.1. If there are 50 mangoes in a box, and how would you write the total number of mangoes in the terms of boxes, number of boxes? So for that, in the question it is given number of boxes are B, and in one box there are 50 mangoes. In one box, how many mangoes are there? 50. One box, 50 mangoes. Number of mangoes, sorry, number of boxes, we don't know कि कितने number of boxes हैं. So that's why we are writing number of mangoes in one box is 50, and B, we are taking the number of boxes B because we don't know the number of boxes. कितने number of boxes में mangoes हैं? एक box में 50 mangoes हैं, and we do not know how many number of mango boxes are there. So number of mangoes in one box multiply number of boxes. Okay, number of mangoes in one box will be multiplied with number of boxes. So you will be getting 50 into B, that is 50B. Clear? Am I clear with that? Avni, Adit, you are not doing? Kanishka, open your camera.
The teacher distributes 5 pencils per student. Distributes 5 pencils per student. Distributes 5 pencils per students. Can you tell how many pencils are needed given the number of students? Use S for the numbers of students.
Yes, number of students are represented by S here, and number of pencils distributed per student. Per student means each student, one student is getting 5 pencils. If one student is getting 5 pencils, so we will multiply it by 5 with S. So let S be the number of students because it is given in the question. Yes, Prapti, 5S is the correct answer. Pencils given to each student is 5, and number of pencils to each student multiply number of students.
So the answer is 5S.
Yes, so the answer is 5S. That's right. Question number 6.
A bird fly 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Can you express the distance covered by the bird in terms of its flying time in minutes? Use T for flying time in minutes.
So T minutes will be the flying time. Okay, T minutes, and distance covered in 1 minute is 1 kilometer. In 1 minute, a bird is flying 1 kilometer distance. So distance covered in 1 minute will be multiplied with flying time. That's right, Avni. 1T or 4V, T kilometer is also right. So when you multiply 1 with T, that is 1 minute, 1 kilometer, multiplied with flying time, that is T. So 1 multiplied T will be T kilometers. 1T or T kilometers means the same thing. Okay. 1T or T kilometers means the same thing. Did you get that?
Okay. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli, a beautiful pattern of lines joined dots with chalk powder.
Chalk powder.
She was 9. She has 9 dots in a row. Now many dots. In a row, row, how many dots will her
Will her.
rangoli have? Will her rangoli have? For row,
Are
how
rows.
many are how many dots are there if there are 8 rows? If there are 10 rows?
Yes, children. See my screen, all of you. Radha is drawing a dot rangoli. Here. See, these are some dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 dots. She's making a rangoli with 9 dots. Okay. In one row. One row means in one line, she's making 9 dots. Either you can make it in this way or 9 dots in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dots in one row. She is making a rangoli and she is making a line in which she is placing 9 dots. Now they are saying that there are R rows. R rows, we don't know the number of rows. So if one row is having 9 dots, so 9 multiply R, that is 9 R rows will be there. And in the second part, they are asking if there are 8 rows. If I will put these rows, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 rows, and in 8 rows, she is placing the dots. So that will be 9 into 8, that is 72. Okay, 72 dots will be there. And if there are 10 rows, if like this, there are 10 rows, if she's placing 10 rows like this, then it will be 9 into 10, that is 90 rows of dots. 90 dots will be there. Did you get that? Adit Goyal, Anya Pali? Understood this question? Okay, fine. Number of dots in one row are 9 and number of rows are R. So number of dots multiply number of rows will be 9R here. Okay, this is the first part. Next they are asking if she is making 8 rows such like that. ऐसे ही वो 8 rows बनाते हैं, then it will be multiplied with 8. That will be 72 dots. And if she is placing the number 10 rows, then 10 nines are 90 dots she is placing. Clear?
Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be X years.
So Leela is her bigger sister and Radha is her younger sister over here. Okay? Leela is a bigger sister and Radha is younger sister, and Radha is 4 years bigger than Leela, or you can say that Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Okay? Suppose, for example, just keep it in your mind, you are 10 years old child. Okay, you are a 10-year-old child and your brother is 4 years younger than you. Then he will be 6 years old. If you are 10 years old and your younger brother is 4 years younger than you. That means he is 6 years old. You have subtracted 10 from 4. That's why you have got 6 years. Yes. Here also, can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? That means we have to compare Leela age with the Radha's age over here. And here we are taking Radha's age is equal to X years. We don't know the age of Radha. So here in this question, we are taking Radha age is equal to X as per the question. Okay. So Radha's age, I am taking it as X years, and Leela age, I am taking 4 years younger than Radha. Leela age will be 4 years younger than Radha. Then the age will become X minus 4 years. That will be the answer, X minus 4. Because here X can't be subtracted from 4. If it is a number, then you can easily subtract, but it is an alphabet. So you can't subtract an alphabet with a number. So you will write the answer like that, X minus 4 years. Clear? Start.
Am I audible? Mother has made laddus. She gives some laddus to guests and family members. Still 5 laddus remain. If the number of laddus mother gave away is L, how many laddus did she make?
So your mother has made laddus, okay? And those laddus which she has distributed among the guests and the family members who are coming in at your home, and she has distributed all the laddus, okay? And still, when all your relatives and family members have eaten up all the laddus, still 5 remains left. Still 5 left. 5 laddus remain left, okay? And now if I'm taking the number of laddus eaten by your relatives and your friends is L, you're taking it as L. So how does your mother, how many laddus did your mother made? We need that. So L laddus your relatives have eaten, 5 laddus remain. So L plus 5. So total number of laddus you will get it. Got it? So you are taking here the number of laddus will be taking as L, and the remaining laddus are 5. So the total number of laddus will be given by your mother, will be added with the remaining laddus. It will be 5. L plus 5, Prapti, not 5L. We are not multiplying here. L laddus your relatives have eaten and 5 laddus still remain. So L plus 5 laddus are there in total. If it will be a number, then we can easily add it. But it is an alphabet L, so we can't add alphabet with a number. So we are writing L plus 5 laddus. Clear? Did you get that, class? Question number 9. Bhumika, read the next question, number 10.
Oranges are to be transferred from larger boxes into smaller boxes. When a large box is emptied, the oranges from it fill to smaller boxes, and still 10 oranges remain outside. If the number of oranges in a small box are taken to be X, what is the number of oranges in the large box?
Yes, there is a large box of oranges. एक बहुत बड़ा box है oranges का, and we have transferred those bigger box oranges into the small boxes. Sunny, concentrate over here. There is a large bigger box of oranges. Then we have done उस बड़े box में oranges थे, उसको हमने oranges को we have transferred into 2 small boxes. 2 छोटे छोटे boxes में मैंने वो oranges transfer कर दिए, send कर दिए, डाल दिए उसमें. Still 10 remains outside. फिर भी 10 बच गए. Then if the number of oranges we are taking in the small box as X, so how many oranges are there in the larger box? We have taken 2 small boxes and 1 small box is equal to x. So 2 small boxes will be equal to 2x. Anya Pali, you are not concentrating what I am explaining you, just speaking and speaking from a long time. Your camera is just moving here and there and you're just moving here and there. So the number of oranges in the small box, we are taking it as x. And there are 2 small boxes we have taken, so we'll take it as 2x. And the oranges which are remained, so bach gaye oranges, that were 10. 10 oranges are left, still left. So in the large box, there will be 2 small boxes plus 10 oranges. So it will be 2x, the number of 2 small boxes plus number of oranges remained are 2x plus 10. So these are the 2x plus 10 will be the answer of question number 10, that in the large box there are number of oranges are 2x plus 10. Clear, children?